Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. Happy Ramadan. My name is Iftikhar Mumtaz Husnan and my last digit 3 student number is 109. In this video, I would like to introduce, describe, and promote this. This is obviously special food from my province or my hometown, Gorontalo. Look at this. Do you know what they are called? The answer is they are called Karawo cookies. Some people call them Karawo or Karawang. I don't know for sure, but the real name is Karawo cookies. So let's discuss the aspects of 5 cents toward this dessert. First is vision. This is cookies. Obviously, it's display like cake, but in dry version. Look at this. And the topping sometimes can be nut, jam, flour, crumbs, etc. That is important is the topping is edible. Second senses aspect, smell. They have been dried so that the smell can be detected. The smell can be detected after the baking process. Third aspect, taste. Do you know these cookies has various flavors, but in this video only chocolate. They have strawberry, cheese, chocolate, etc. Next is hearing. It sounds crunchy when people eat or chew it because it is a dry food. Last is touch. Obviously, it is dry because it has been done in baking process. Dry, you can see. And it has nuts upper the layer. I think that is promoting, describing, and introducing specialty food from me, Iftikhar Mumtaz Husnan. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.